Thank you for purchasing a Blackstone griddle. Our griddle tops are made of steel, and all steel naturally wants to rust, especially if you live in an area with high humidity. In order for rust to occur, you need exposure to air and water. This is why if you live in an area with high humidity, you will need to be extra vigilant to protect your griddle top from the elements. Not all rust is going to be preventable, but luckily our griddles are very easy to clean, and with a few pointers you should be able to prevent most corrosion. In this video we will show you a worst case scenario and the simple steps to recover a griddle top even with heavy corrosion. So here are the cleaning tools you will need: a metal scraper, oil, any cooking oil will do, paper towels, and a grill stone cleaning block. Step 1. First, turn your griddle on to high heat. This will loosen up any rust or debris so it will be easier to remove. After about 20 minutes, turn the griddle off and let it cool down. Now use a metal scraper and scrape as much corrosion off as you can. If you don't have a metal scraper, a metal spatula will work fine. Do this step dry. Don't use any water. Remember, water is one of the major causes of rust, and we are going to strip any protective layer from the griddle, so introducing water at this stage would be counterproductive. Step 2. Now use regular cooking oil and the grill stone to scrub your griddle surface. You'll typically find the grill stones in the barbecue aisle of the store, but if you can't find a grill stone, try using steel wool or a medium grit wet dry sandpaper. Step 3. Now use paper towels to wipe the griddle clean. Apply more oil and wipe the griddle down again. Do this until all of the rust debris is gone. If you missed any spots, just go back over them with oil and the grill stone. Step 4. Once your griddle top is clean, it's time to season it. Seasoning your griddle top will give it a natural protective coating to help prevent corrosion and give you a nice stick-resistant surface to cook on. We highly recommend using flax oil to season your griddle. However, if you can't find flax oil, you can use extra virgin olive oil instead. Apply a small amount of oil to your griddle and spread it around with a rolled-up paper towel. Turn your griddle on to medium-high heat. You will see the oil start to smoke and the surface of your griddle will start to discolor. This is good. This means the oil is bonding to the metal. Keep your griddle on medium-high heat until the oil stops smoking and your griddle surface starts to turn matte gray. For the sake of time, we've sped up this part of the video, but this will typically take about 30 minutes. Turn your griddle off and let it cool. Repeat step 4 about 3 or 4 times until you have a fairly even matte black griddle top. After this initial seasoning, simply cooking on your Blackstone griddle will add to the seasoning layer. The final step. Once you've seasoned your griddle, you want to store it with a protective layer of oil to create a barrier from air and moisture. Use whatever cooking oil you'd like for this step and wipe down your griddle top with a thin layer in between uses. Don't forget to wipe down all of the sides of the griddle top too. Make sure you do this every time you use your griddle.